My name is Christian Austin. I am the 2023-2024 District 31 Public Relations Manager. If you've ever visited a club outside of your home club before, you may notice that the agenda is similar and the roles are the same as what you have in your meetings. However, the meetings are a little different, and so is the club culture. That's why I'm going to be hosting a new video series called Club Close-Up, where we travel around District 31 and do a deep dive into some of its clubs. During this video series, you're going to hear from club officers and members about specific aspects of their club, including educational engagement, meeting member goals, recruiting, retention, and general member engagement, fun or novel aspects of a meeting, mentorship, and the club success plan and distinguished club program. I'll put some references at the end of the video about the distinguished club program and club success plan if you want to learn more. As a Toastmaster member, you'll come out of this video series with some tips and processes that are helping clubs be successful. As a guest to Toastmasters, you'll be able to align your goals with a specific club. We'll be looking at 3 different types of clubs: a community club, corporate clubs, and advanced clubs. Each of the interviews will be slightly different, ranging from a panel discussion, more of an open format, to more directed interview questions towards specific members. If you are interested in learning more about this video series and being notified when there's new videos in the series or District 31 content, subscribe to the link below in the description and also to District 31 social media. I look forward to you joining me on this District 31 journey, where I am going to learn just as much as you.